Let's get ready to rumble!
Okay ako to.
Welcome to our dirty car. Gusto ko na ng driver para nalilinis, no? Magtrabahuhan muna natin.
It will land to those
Already.
na may fertile soil.
So,
Ako ko na yung land tsaka yung soil.
Sabi lagi si Alec kasi ang bagal niya.
totoo lang. Totoo lang din naman.
Morning!
Good morning.
Dami na pala.
Good morning. Hello. Good morning. The person with the more colorful hair, siya ang magsisimula. Okay? So partner A, start sharing, ready, begin.
Done na ang Pino first learning session. That's one of our momentum events. Tapos now we're heading to punta kami ng odd space to check the event for Saturday. So, buong week pala tayo may event. Yes!
Let's go!
Guys, so this is our space for creator hangouts. For creators, influencers, entrepreneurs to just have fun and chill dito. So hopefully a lot of people come and we're just very excited. We'll have some DJ set up here, some drinks over there.
Initiated kasi to by Alec. So, Alec will surprise us. Ako alam sa mangyayari, but ang goal ko lang dito is ma-surprise ako. Maging masaya.
Para sa'yo talaga, ma-surprise.
Para sa amin to. Thank you, Alec.
Like, drinks, pika-pika food,
DJ.
a DJ, and like vibing.
I love it. Uy, may ganun?
Today is the kickoff of Momentum Batch 2 and we're welcoming more than 300 souls here for their personal development and personal growth. So very excited, very happy. Let's do this. Let's go!
Momentum is all about seeing your highest potential, seeing you manifest it, and seeing all the possibilities na hindi mo akalain na kaya mo naman pala.
I'm very excited for today's momentum because we're helping 300 plus souls reclaim their power and get back on track to get the momentum started to jumpstart their life's journey and greatness.
Today, I'm very excited to meet a lot of people because today is gonna be a transformative day for them as they will now start to rediscover themselves, to recommit to their structure of extreme self-care, and at the same time, excited ako na maipakita sa kanila yung potential nila kung gaano kayaman ang buhay.
In the next 60 days, normalan sa inyo, i-affirm yung sarili ninyo. Diba?
Kahit anong try mo na hindi na umarap at mabuhay na ng komportable, there is a calling far bigger than your own desires, than your own wants. And hindi mo kaya magtago forever. If you know you're great, claim it. No more holding back.
Pakitabi yung nasa kanan mo pakisabi, I'm glad you're here.
Kakatapos lang ng Momentum kickoff and sobrang saya namin kasi we've been able to serve more than 300 souls today going through our personal development program. Sobrang daming energy, but I'm really happy to be able to, do kung ano yung mga, or at least share kung ano yung mga bagay na mahilig ako i-share, which is, personal growth and of course, personal branding. So, let's see kung saan mapupunta tong journey nila kasi we're gonna have a graduation very soon. But for now, that's gonna be all for this vlog. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next vlog.